Ladies and gentlemen, friends and fellow citizens, today I stand before you with a heart full of hope and a message of profound importance. In a world increasingly divided by conflict and discord, it is time for us to come together and embrace the power of unity and peace. We live in a world where differences are often magnified and hatred is sometimes nurtured by those who seek to profit from division. Governments, media outlets, and corporations have at times fueled our fears and perpetuated our divisions. But we must not allow ourselves to be swayed by those who would see us remain fragmented and divided. The truth is, we are all part of the same human family. Our common experiences are shared, aspirations are shared, and our universal need for love and understanding bind us together far more than our differences can ever separate us. We have a choice to continue on a path of division and strife, or to rise above and unite for a greater cause. Let us remember that peace begins with each of us. It starts in our hearts and extends through our actions. We can no longer afford to let hatred, prejudice, and misinformation dictate our relationships and our lives. Instead, we must choose empathy over enmity, dialogue over discord, and understanding over ignorance. It is time to put aside the artificial barriers that have been constructed between us. We must reject the narrative that seeks to divide us based on race, religion, nationality, or any other distinguishing factor. Our diversity should be celebrated, not feared. Our differences should be seen as opportunities for learning and growth, not as threats to be eliminated. To achieve this, we must hold ourselves and our leaders accountable. We must demand transparency and integrity for those who wield influence over our lives. We must support initiatives that promote truth, justice, and reconciliation. And most importantly, we must engage in conversations that bridge gaps and build connections rather than deepen divides. I call upon each of you to be a beacon of peace in our own communities. Stand up against hate, challenge stereotypes, and offer kindness to those around you, no matter who, what, or where they come from. Together, let us create a ripple effect of compassion and understanding that extends across borders and cultures. Our strength lies in our unity, and our future depends on our ability to come together as one. Let us not squander this opportunity to forge a world where peace and harmony prevail. Let us embrace our shared humanity and work towards a brighter, more inclusive future. As we move forward, let us carry this message of peace with us, for it is through our collective efforts that we will build a world where every person is valued, every voice is heard, and every heart is healed. Thank you, and may we all find the courage to unite in the spirit of peace and love together